can take to avoid getting sick and spreading them to others. Humans is tuna without physical sanitation. We encourage everyone to sanitize their hands all the time. Our friendly orders will not be used for your hand sanitation. Thank you.
Diyan ka pa talagang nahirapan sa stars eh, no? There! Finish!